All right, so when you got the answer to number 6 yesterday, okay, so on number 6, right, you guys should have gotten this. You should have gotten x over 2, okay, times 0.75 equals 100 minus r over 4 times what? 1.25, right? Okay, so everybody's good with that, right? Okay, so the next thing you had to do then was to come in and solve this, right? And that's where then I started finding out we had some problems with some people. Okay, so they started coming in. All right, now look, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this. The best way to do this is this. Go put a little 1 under this. Go put a little 1 under this, like that. Okay? Okay, now what you're going to do is this. You're going to say to yourself, look, 2 goes into 0.75 how many times? So go do that in the calculator. 2 goes into 0.75 how many times? Okay, 0.375, does everybody agree? Yeah. All right, good job, that's right. Okay, let's go to the other one. 4 goes into 1.25 how many times? 0.3125 is correct. Okay, everybody good with that? Okay, all right, now look, common sense. 0.375 times r is what? 0.375 r, right, okay. Look, common sense. 0.3125 times this and times this, distributive property. So what's 0.3125 times 100? 31.25. Okay, minus, what's 0.3125 times r? 0.3125r. There you go. Okay, now look how, oh my gosh, I can do this now. I know this. Okay, what would you do next to solve for r? No, you want to subtract anything. You're going to add. You're going to add what? 0.3125r to both sides, right? Okay, so let's do that. So what's 0.375 plus 0.3125? 6875 r, and that equals, and of course these are going to cancel, right? Okay, so it equals 31.25, right? Okay, now what are you going to do next to solve for r? Divide by 0.6875. Divide by 0.6875. Divide by 0.6875. Okay, and you get that r is approximately, okay, now you're going to get a decimal, right? Okay, so you get 45.45, like this, right? Is what you're getting, okay? And so you have to round it to the 10th place. So you're going to say, if my answer is, it's going to be 45.5 is the answer. There you go, you got it. There's your answer, 45.5. Now, see, the answer is yes, round, right? Yes, you do round, and you would round this to what number? 46. 45, well, I don't know where you are, he's 46. 45.5 rounds to 46. Okay? All right, now, here comes part B. How many people out of the 100 riders will take slide 1? And you would say would be what? 46, right? Yeah, you can't add 45.5. The answer is going to be, it's 46 people, right? All right, that's how many take the ride, okay? See, after part 7, this gets really, really easy, okay? Just using the same answers over and over again. Okay, now let's go to number 9. Number 9 says, use the expression you wrote in item 2, okay, to determine how long it will take the number of riders from item 8b to go through slide 1. Okay, so here's the equation we wrote, okay, from item 2. It was this. Okay, r over 2 times 0.75. Okay, all right, this is how we figure out how many minutes it takes. All right, and you tell me this. How much is r? How much is r? 46. So that's 46 divided by 2 times 0.75, right? Okay, you go stick in your calculator. You tell me what the answer is. Wait, what'd you say again? Is right. And the answer comes out to being 17.25 minutes. Is right. Minutes. That's how long it would take. Okay, 17.25 minutes. Okay, so that's part A. So part B is, okay, it's 17 minutes. There you go. There it is. Plain and simple. Okay, here's your answer to that. All right, so all good on that. All right, let's go to the next part now. So the next part we got is, okay, that's what we just did. So let me, okay, there it is. Okay, and there are those answers again. All right, oh, we missed that part. Let's go back. You already saw the answers. So not gonna worry about that. All right, so let's go to part 10 now. Now, part 10 says this, okay, as you read this, right? Am I playing? Okay, so what you're gonna do is, first of all, number 10, right, is 17 minutes. We agreed on that. And then number 11, to validate this is a good answer, you would go and take the equation from number 5 and then put in 46 into the R right here, right? Okay, and then see, crank it out of the calculator and see what you would end up getting. And when you do that, you end up getting this, 16.875 minutes. So here's the question. If you went to the sign, and you're the 100th person, and it says it takes 17 minutes to get to the slide, whether it's 1 or 2, okay, is that a good answer then? Yes, it is. Okay, and it's a good answer because what? That time, this time right here, is this more or less than 17 minutes? Yes. It's less, so therefore you will get there within 17 minutes, right? Makes sense? Okay, that shows it's a legitimate answer. All right, so this is what we're getting ready. Okay, so here's the first thing. It says, f of x is x squared minus 4x plus 5. And they ask you this question. There we go. How much is f of 2? Okay, all right, now here's the thing. What you do to get f of 2, that means all you do is take that 2 and put it in for x, right? All you do is take the 2, right, and put it in for x. There, and there, and there, right? Making sense? Okay, that's all you're doing. Okay, now how much is 2 squared? 4. How much is negative 4 times 2? Negative 8 and 5, right? Okay, so here's what you're going to see, right? And then all you do is add those all together, and so what you guys get for the answer? 1, right. The correct answer is 1. And you should get 1 for your answer. There it is. Okay, that's the first one. Now, obviously, if you're not getting the right thing, you need to correct it there on your paper. Okay? All right, let's go to the next one now. Okay, the next one's a little bit more challenging. Okay, so now we're doing, okay, f of negative 6. So I'm going to take negative 6 and put it in for x, right? So I should get this. Negative 6 squared minus 4 times negative 6 plus 5. Makes sense? Okay, now here comes the thing. This is fabulous. I love that the book did this early. Okay, lots of students mess up on this one. If you put that in your calculator, negative 6 squared, what's the calculator say the answer is? Negative 36, right. You don't do that on the calculator. If you don't, it won't give you the right answer. The right answer, okay, it gives you negative 36. The right answer would have to be like this. You put the negative 6 squared in parentheses, right? So whenever you square a negative number in the calculator, make sure it's in parentheses. If it's not, it'll give you the negative back, which is wrong. It has to be the positive one, right? So put it in parentheses. Okay, so if that's the case then, negative 6 squared is 36. Okay, hold on, let's get there. Come on. 36, okay. And then negative 4 times negative 6 is 24, and then plus 5. And then you add that all together, and what do you guys get? 65 is the answer. There you go. You got it. Where's that? Slope. Okay, find the slope and the line intercept. So you know this is the equation of a line that gives you the slope m and the y-intercept b. Okay, so here's the first one, right? Here's A. You get this, right? Okay, so how much is m, the slope? How much is b, the y-intercept? Oh, there you go. That's it. How simple was that? Okay, the slope is 3 and the y-intercept is negative 4. Okay, put the box around. There we go. Okay? Okay, the second one though, the B one is a little bit more challenging. Okay? Because here's what we got. Okay, now here's the thing. What's wrong with this? It's not in AMX plus B form, Y equals form, right? Okay, so what would you have to do first to put it into Y equals form? Subtract 4x, okay? Let's do that. There's the Y, I want to get it by itself, right? Okay, subtract the 4x, right? Subtract the 4x, right? You get this. Oops, see, so hold on. Let's get the whole thing. You get that first, right? Okay, now what do you do next? Divide by -5, and divide everything by -5, okay? Divide everything by -5. Okay, now, when you do that, the -5's cancel, right? You get y by itself. Okay, and what's this? -4 divided by -5 is positive 4/5, right? See, those cancel, you get y by itself. Positive 4/5 x, and then 15 divided by -5 is -3. Very good. You get -3, right? Okay, and so then our answer becomes, pull this up here. Our answer becomes that M is 4/5 and B is -3. There you go.